And Sada directing operations from the left-hand side. Massive Indian assault on the Australian goal. Scores! England take the bronze. Sheer delight as red and white surrounds Ashley Jackson.
Here is an interactive prototype of the UoBVerse, a Commonwealth companion app. A key point of design was to use a similar colour scheme to the Commonwealth Games, as well as clearly show the partnership between the Commonwealth Games and the University of Birmingham. There are a range of options for logging into the application. We support OAuth from Facebook, Google and Apple. There's also the option to create an account using your email, and so we can log in. As government guidance around COVID can be confusing at the best of times, we thought it'd be a great idea to give attendees an overview of the latest COVID information in a splash screen when logging in. This data would be pulled from a backend server so it can be dynamically updated without having to push a patch to the application. This splash screen goes away after a couple of seconds and you are now in the application. Once logged in, you are brought to a screen which shows the schedule for future events and has links to the official source to buy tickets. Along the top, there are also pages that give an overview of both the sports that the university is hosting and the venue as a whole. For those attending in person, there's also a screen which shows a map of the university to help people get around. If the user has location services enabled for the application, they will be able to see a blue dot as their current location. However, the map will also be accessible for those without location services enabled. The user will have a customizable avatar that they can take augmented reality photos with and even appear virtually on large displays around the venue. The items to customize that avatar are stored in their inventory, but how can a user unlock these items? When someone moves around the venue, they may enter an area that has an unlockable item. Here we have Old Joe, the clock tower, as an example. We can see the user has walked up to Old Joe and they get a pop-up, prompting them to go to their inventory to equip the item. In the inventory screen, we can see that the Old Joe costume has a marker to show that it is new. It can then be equipped by the user and the avatar will update on the system.